Imagine waking up one morning, turning on your computer, and watching every file you've ever created lock right before your eyes. That's exactly what happened in May 2017, when a cyber attack named WannaCry swept across 150 countries in just a few hours. Hospitals, shipping companies, government agencies, all suddenly at the mercy of hackers. And the craziest part, it happened because of a missing update. WannaCry was ransomware, malicious software that encrypts data and demands payment. But this attack wasn't manually deployed. It spread automatically, like a digital epidemic. Once it infected a single machine, it scanned nearby systems inside the same network, seeking one vulnerability: SMB protocol flaw, also called EternalBlue. EternalBlue exploited outdated Windows systems. The malware scanned port TCP/445, found unpatched SMB services, injected malicious code using a buffer overflow, and ran itself remotely. Microsoft had already released a patch 2 months earlier, but thousands of organizations hadn't updated their systems. Some assumed updates break compatibility, others simply delayed. That hesitation cost billions in damages. Some hospitals even had to cancel surgeries because systems were down. A 22-year-old security researcher found a hidden kill switch domain inside the malware. By registering the domain, he unintentionally stopped the spread. But the real lesson: cyber attacks often succeed not because of genius hackers, but because of outdated software and poor digital hygiene. If you want to protect systems, start by mastering the fundamentals. You're watching the Cyber Nomad. If you're curious about how cyber threats work and you want to learn through amazing stories, subscribe.